Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your favorite girl Jereel on the screen again? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you something I've been using to combat my terrible acne. My skin went from terrible to fair, or even better. Yeah, so this is a before and after pictures of what my skin used to look like and what it looks like now. This remedy is going to help combat acne. It's going to take away dark scars, all those pimples that's been giving your life pain, giving your life a lot of trouble. It's going to clear your skin, make you glow, look flawless, and yeah, generally feel comfortable and confident in yourself. So I'll be sharing with you guys this beauty recipe that has saved me not once, not twice, but and always have to fall back to this remedy. It is so inexpensive and cheap. If you're interested, please keep watching. So guys, the things I'll be using is lime and also bicarbonate of soda, which is also known as baking soda. You can buy your baking soda from the grocery store, from the cake store, those that make confectionaries, and your lime from the local market or the grocery as well. These two ingredients are inexpensive to buy. These two ingredients separately are skin repairers. They are huge skin repairers. They can repair your skin, your problem skin, and just imagine combining the both of them together. I am super duper sure that you're going to enjoy this video and you're going to leave testimonies. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the first thing I'll be doing is to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and transfer it into a mixing bowl. There's the bowl I used to mix everything, and I'm trying to break my baking soda because it looks like it has congealed and it's now in kind of block forms, like solidified. So I'm trying to dissolve them so to be in a powdery form and easy to apply onto my skin. I can hold on to, baby, please don't. The next thing I'll be grabbing is my lime, and I'm just going to cut it into 2 halves. I'll be using just half of it on my skin, and I'm going to also remove the seeds because it doesn't really matter, but I don't like it. I just want to remove it. So guys, to use this on my skin and make it work efficiently, you can try 2 methods. The first method is extracting the lime juice and mixing with the baking soda. The second method, which I think is better for me, is dipping the lime into the baking soda and using it on my skin. I'm just showing you guys on the back of my palm, but this is what I do on my skin. I rub it into my skin and massage it into my skin. Baking soda helps balance the pH levels of your skin. It also helps exfoliate the dead skin cells. So applying this onto your skin is going to do all of those wonders. Baking soda also removes acne scars. When your skin becomes clogged with dead skin cells, oils, or bacteria, tiny pimples appear on the surface, which are called acne. So using baking soda on your acne prone skin is going to remove the acne and acne scars. Baking soda is also a natural cleanser. It exfoliates the skin, it whitens the skin, while lime juice also helps get rid of dark spots. It treats anti-aging. It also treats acne and blemishes. So using these 2 things combined is going to reveal that glowy skin, which is the other benefits of using lime on your skin. I promise you should try this. Even if it's twice in a week, you're going to get maximum results. Your acne prone skin is going to be healed. Yes, we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoy, please like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. See you next time. Bye.